In this video, I'll go over how to update the visibility and other properties on an existing course and show you how to reuse an existing course. So in order to update course information, we'll start at the eReserves course page and search for the course that you'd like to update. On the far right side under Actions, select the cogwheels that say Edit Course Information when you hover over them. This is going to allow you to change information about the course rather than the content inside of the course. Usually the main thing you're going to need to change is the term. So if you're using a class in fall of 2015 and you want to reuse it for spring of 2016, you're just going to have to go up to the term and make that selection. Another thing you might want to change is if you have any teaching assistants, you'll want to change and update them to the new editor. So the two places you want to do that is in the actual course name to make it searchable by students in eReserves, as well as on the Editors tab. And you would just go in and add those new editors. Again, if they don't yet have an account, you'll want to have them request an account for that. Now, you also have the option to reuse an existing course. So this would be something, perhaps it's been several semesters since you last used the course. So in order to do that, again, starting from the course reserves page, we'll just go to Add eReserves Course, and instead of selecting Create New Course, we're going to select Reuse Existing Course. Here we're just going to use the drop-down menus to select the course that you want. So we're just going to select a course for this example. And then you want to change the term if it's something different from the original. So if everything's exactly the same, at this point you're actually done. But as you can see, this one, spring 2015, and we want it for spring 2016, so we're going to update that using the drop-down menus. The other option here is the visibility dates. If you want to keep the original visibility dates, you can tick that checkbox. Otherwise, all items will be visible all the time. So you do have the option to go in later and update that if you only want certain things available at certain times. So that's how you update course information as well as reuse existing courses. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact the Reserve Unit at 882-6038.